What's up, Adventure Buddies? Welcome back to a new episode of Cooking with G Muffin, Thanksgiving edition. In this week's recipe, we will be making pumpkin pie. In this recipe, you'll need 2 eggs, pumpkin spice, salt, sugar, condensed evaporated milk, and you'll need pumpkin filling, and of course, the pumpkin crust. If you want to see the exact recipe, check it down in the description. First, you need to preheat the oven to 425. First, you need 3/4 cups of sugar. Next, you need a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Next, you will need 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Next, add a squirt of your pumpkin spice. Now stir up your dry ingredients. Once you're done with stirring, you will add in your 2 eggs. Now stir it all up. Next, you add 1.5 cups of condensed milk. Now it's time to stir. Now add in your pumpkin pie filling. Now do the final stir. Next, it's time for the pie crust. Now unroll it onto the pan. And make sure that all the edges are covered up. Now we pour the pie mix into the pie crust. Now bake it for 15 minutes, and you might want to ask for a parent for help because boy is it heavy. Now while we wait, we do some dishes. And now we turn the heat down to 350 degrees for 40 minutes. Now we get to let it cool for 2 hours. I can't wait that long. And now, in order to make sure it's done, use a toothpick to poke through the middle and hope it comes out clean. Now we're ready to dig in. And now for some whipped cream. And thanks for watching another episode of Cooking with G Muffin. And make sure to hit that like, subscribe, and bell for notification. And remember, life's an adventure. Who you going on with? Whatever.